screwed the video. It didn't really record any 30 minutes. It actually just said the video couldn't start in the middle of the video. So, yes. Anyways, yeah, there's your quick briefing. Anyways, we're bound to land. So, once again, Thomas Cook 757. I came from Amsterdam Schiphol, and yeah. Next time I might think about doing like different parts and sections when I do these, but I'm gonna be a bit iffy about that. Now let's descend 2,000 feet per minute with our degree to flat. Anything else needed? No. Cabin's alerted. Hang on. Ladies and gentlemen, actually, flight attendants prepare for landing. Okay, be alert that there is no jetway at this airport. Man, anything I said for 30 minutes is now gone. And jeez, I think I know some YouTubers that actually have to go through this recording at least 30 minutes or an hour of something, and then it just goes to waste. I'm pretty sure a lot of YouTubers have experienced that, and I pray to God that they don't have to experience that again, because I know exactly how it feels now. And, jeez, that's not a great feeling. That is the worst feeling. You record something for 30 minutes and it dies. So yes, when this goes up on YouTube, be aware of what's gonna happen. Anyway, spoilers, arm flaps full. I'm gonna go full flaps for this landing attempt. We're gonna try and make it nice and easy. It's gonna make it mostly smooth. I'm gonna do all the pieces right. That's the biggest one that we got here. If you don't know what region I'm in the Amsterdam region. Let's descend a little bit more. Let's go to about, why not, let's go 500. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna take it manual from here. Population, we're too high. I'm gonna go ahead and descend a bit. Don't really gotta, okay, yeah, let's think right. No, stop, you go ahead. Let's go ahead and say all the pilots. And let's continue. And continue down and land. It's still high. Might wanna go here. Oh no, we're good. I know we're okay, we're not too low. Well, directly low. Too good. There's actually a threshold on this runway. Runway 18 left that Amsterdam didn't have a threshold to fly at. Hopefully that's good. We're mostly on center line. We'll try and make this a good landing. Have a good float. Oh, I didn't have a good landing spot. I landed a bit. Jeez. I thought I was zooming in for some of my reflexes. Jeez, look at the power that this thing has. For reverse thrust, you see that? It's 117%. It's a little overkill, don't you think? Well, landing wasn't too shabby. Well then. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna hurry up and end it before it does this stupid could not do it. So, yeah, expect more of these videos. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, rate, whatever the crap you want to do. Shout out to everyone. If you want a shout out, there you go. If you've never had a shout out, congratulations, you've earned one. Even if you're a random person. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed, I just found that one, and I will see you next time. and Geronimo.